Hello and welcome to Kahindo Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to ask a quiz with more than two answers on your Instagram story. Alright, so let's begin. Wait a second. Before we begin, I'd like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. I have their 30-day free trial in my video description. Amazon Prime is a membership program that offers many special benefits, including but not limited to unlimited free 2-day shipping with no minimum order size, the access to instantly watch thousands of movies and TV episodes, and also you get exclusive shopping deals with a lot of discounts. I've seen discounts of up to 20%, 15, and all of that. Okay, so check out Amazon Prime. I have the 30-day free trial link in my video description. Click on my video description and click on the link and try them out and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Okay, now back to Instagram. To add a quiz with multiple questions on your Instagram, first you just take a picture. You can start by taking a video or a picture. So I'll take a picture. Once you have done that, look on the upper right hand corner. Do you see this square smiley face icon? Tap on that and then find the quiz. So quiz is here on the bottom, or you can just search for it. Okay, once you type it, you should see on the very top it says quiz. Tap on that. Okay, now let's start. First, let's start by just picking the color of the quiz. So if you look over here on the very top, just keep tapping on that. Okay, it allows you to pick a color. Once you have chosen the color that you like, go ahead, it's time to ask the question. So tap over here on the part that says guess my favorite. Let's say guess my favorite movie. Okay, so after you've asked the question, now it's time to add the options. Okay, first start by tapping where it says option 1. You can just put in the answer, say let's 1, and then tap over here on option 2. Option 2. So as you notice, after you have tapped on option 2, you select option 2 as the default answer, the correct answer. And I can show you how to change that. Actually, I can just show you, and let's just add more options and I'll show you how to change the default answer, okay? Now, once you have tapped in the option 2, you see here a new box will appear that allows you to add another option. So I'll double tap on where it says add over here on the bottom. Now it allows me to add another option. And you can continue on doing that. So if I want to add another option, I'll just tap that again. Okay, and it seems like you can only do up to 4 answers. Okay, I don't think you can do more than 4 answers at the moment. Okay, now once you have put all your options to change the correct answer, so right now by default your second option is the correct answer. To change the correct answer, you can have it as D, C, or A. Just tap on the letter, don't tap on the body. When you tap on the body, nothing will happen, so make sure you're tapping on the letter. So to change it to D, I'll just tap on the little D right there, and you can see this becomes the correct answer. And you can tell that by the fact that it's green. Okay, that's how you add a quiz with multiple questions on your Instagram. So once you have finished, click on where it says done. Okay, and you can move this around. You can make it smaller, make it bigger, flip it over, do all kind of stuff. Okay, once you like how it looks, just click on where it says send, and that's how you can add a quiz to your Instagram story. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely don't forget to check out Amazon Prime. I have their link in my video description. Thank you for watching.